go. Well, looking around, see something beautiful. Obviously, you see this beautiful lake, creek, pond. You see the beautiful geese swimming down there. The natural pond. You see the natural things like the pine straw in the water. And you don't even know there might be fish here. So it's beautiful because it's something natural. Water, dirty water, clean water, whatever you want to say it is. It's a beautiful thing because it's something natural that came from the rain, the years of the water eroding into the ground, making this large pond. You might not know how far it might progress. It might progress all the way out into the road as far as we know, the regular lane. So it's a beautiful pond. Um, and you see the natural way it cuts through the ground. It it shows that you can have natural things in a rural setting, and that the water is just, I wouldn't say it's clean water. It's just natural water. So it shows that we have natural things still around. So this is something beautiful that we will see often. And so